Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you love scale model planes, you're in the right place. Today we have a short review about a nice looking Tamiya kit. It's number 17 from World Bird Collection, sorry, and it's Republic P-47D. Bubbletop. I think I will build this version because I like it very much. So let's open the box. Detailed instructions. Here you have the wings. They have a lot of details. And the engine. Yes, maybe some nice add-ons with some metal parts. The interior, I like this radio and commands details. They will look very nice in green. The fuselage. And the bottom wings parts. And other parts. I think they are from top back parts. And you see the details. I don't know if the camera show it very good, but here you see. And decals, they are very well looking. I like these colors. And clear parts. And some small parts like guns. And that's all. If you want to see the build, please like, share and subscribe. If you want to see another builds, let me a comment so I know what kit I should buy. And thank you, and see you next time in next video. Bye bye.